All right, Priyanka Naik is here now. Priyanka's the author of The Modern Tiffin, also host of Make It Vegan on YouTube. You've got a mouth-watering recipe from our Today Loves Food cookbook. This is the twice-baked jalapeno sweet potatoes.
Yes, so first you want to bake your sweet potatoes, cut it in half, scoop it out. And once you have that, we're going to add some non-dairy sour cream. Okay. You can also use dairy sour cream if you'd like. Then we have some chopped green onions, jalapenos, garlic, and some cumin for that smoky flavor, as well as some non-dairy cheddar shreds. I like making this because it's a play on the traditional sweet potato, and I also love jalapeno poppers. So this kind of combines everything in one. Then you're going to scoop it into your baked shells. And we have some herby breadcrumbs here. We're going to top that right over. And put a pat of butter, of course, non-dairy.
Non-dairy butter.
We're gonna bake it off, and then you have it here. We drizzle it with our non-dairy ranch.
Look at that. Oh, that's for me.
Oh, that's for you.
I thought Martha was saying, I should have known better. Martha, dig in. Chefs, thank you. Chefs, thank you. Scan the QR code or today.com/food for any and all of these recipes that you're gonna see this morning. And also, of course, to get our cookbook as well.